How to withdraw to card, sell to card on Fastex Exchange. Welcome to Fastex Exchange. This guide will take you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing your funds using the sell to card option. Step 1. Access your dashboard. Log into your Fastex Exchange account. Click on the profile menu in the top right corner. Select Dashboard from the menu. Click on the Withdraw button to start the process. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal option. Select the asset you want to withdraw. You will see 3 withdrawal options. Send to crypto address. Sell to card. Sell on P2P. To withdraw to your bank card, choose Sell to card. Step 3. Enter withdrawal details. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Choose the fiat currency you want to receive. Select one of the available withdrawal methods. In this guide, we will choose bank card. Click Sell to proceed. Step 4. Fill in payment information. Enter the required card details and personal information. Ensure that all the details are correct. Click Continue to proceed. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Double-check all the entered information. Mark the confirmation checkbox. Click Pay to finalize the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully withdrawn your funds to your bank card. Your transaction will be processed shortly, and you will receive the funds in your selected fiat currency. If you have any questions, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Fastex Exchange guides.